Driving the future, how robots are transforming car manufacturing. Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, your ultimate destination for exploring groundbreaking innovations and technological marvels. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of car manufacturing to uncover how robots are revolutionizing the industry. From assembling precision-engineered vehicles to streamlining production processes, robots are driving the future of the automotive world. Grab your favorite gadget, settle in, and join us as we explore how robots are transforming car manufacturing and shaping the future of mobility. Why robotics matter in car manufacturing. The automotive industry is undergoing a seismic shift, driven by the demand for smarter, greener, and safer vehicles. Meeting these demands requires unprecedented precision, efficiency, and innovation, qualities that robots bring to the table. By automating key processes, robotics technology is not only enhancing productivity but also redefining what's possible in car manufacturing. In this video, we'll explore the role of robotics in every stage of car production, the benefits it brings, and the exciting innovations shaping the future. The evolution of car manufacturing. Car manufacturing has come a long way since the days of Henry Ford's assembly line. 1. The manual era. Early car production relied heavily on skilled labor for tasks like welding, painting, and assembly. While effective, this method was time-consuming and prone to human error. 2. The rise of automation. The introduction of conveyor belts and mechanized tools revolutionized production lines in the mid-20th century. Robots made their first appearance in the 1960s, taking on repetitive tasks like spot welding. 3. The digital transformation. Today, robotics and AI are driving Industry 4.0, enabling smart factories and hyper-efficient production lines. How robots are used in car manufacturing. Robots play a critical role in modern car manufacturing, handling tasks with unparalleled precision and speed. Key applications include 1. Welding and joining. Robots use advanced techniques like laser welding and adhesive bonding to create strong, seamless joints. With AI-driven sensors, they ensure accuracy and consistency in every weld. 2. Painting and coating. Automated painting robots deliver flawless finishes while minimizing waste and environmental impact. Their ability to adapt to different vehicle designs ensures flexibility in production. 3. Assembly and material handling. Robots handle delicate parts with care, ensuring proper alignment and fit. Automated arms assemble everything from engines to interior components with speed and precision. 4. Quality inspection. Vision systems powered by AI enable robots to detect defects that are invisible to the human eye. These inspections ensure that every vehicle meets the highest quality standards. The benefits of robotics in car manufacturing. The integration of robotics offers numerous advantages to manufacturers, consumers, and the environment. 1. Increased efficiency. Robots operate 24/7, significantly boosting production capacity and reducing lead times. 2. Enhanced precision. With micrometer-level accuracy, robots minimize errors and improve overall vehicle quality. 3. Cost savings. While the initial investment is high, robotics reduce long-term labor costs and material waste. 4. Improved safety. Robots handle dangerous tasks like heavy lifting and toxic paint application, reducing workplace injuries. 5. Sustainability. By optimizing resource use and reducing emissions, robots contribute to greener manufacturing practices. Challenges in adopting robotics. While robotics has revolutionized car manufacturing, there are challenges to address. 1. High upfront costs. Setting up robotic production lines requires significant investment, which can be a barrier for smaller manufacturers. 2. Technical expertise. Operating and maintaining advanced robotic systems requires specialized skills, leading to a need for workforce retraining. 3. Integration complexity. Incorporating robotics into existing production facilities can be time-consuming and costly. 4. Ethical and social concerns. The rise of automation has sparked debates about job displacement and the role of human workers in the future. Innovations driving the future. Robotics technology is continually evolving, bringing exciting possibilities to car manufacturing. 1. Collaborative robots, cobots. Designed to work alongside humans. Cobots enhance productivity while maintaining flexibility. 2. AI and machine learning. Robots equipped with AI can analyze data, predict maintenance needs, and optimize production processes. 3. 3D printing integration. Combining robotics with 3D printing enables on-demand production of complex parts, reducing lead times. 4. Autonomous factory systems. Fully automated factories powered by robotics and IoT promise to redefine efficiency and scalability. Real-world success stories. 1. Tesla's gigafactories. Tesla's highly automated factories leverage robotics for everything from battery production to vehicle assembly, setting new benchmarks in efficiency. 2. Toyota's lean manufacturing. Toyota integrates robotics with its lean manufacturing principles, achieving world-class quality and productivity. 3. BMW Smart Factory. BMW uses AI-driven robots to personalize vehicles, delivering bespoke options at scale. The future of robotics in car manufacturing. The journey is far from over. Here's what lies ahead. 1. Electric vehicle production. Robots will play a critical role in scaling up production of EVs, focusing on battery assembly and lightweight materials. 2. Sustainability goals. Advanced robotics will enable carbon-neutral factories, promoting greener manufacturing. 3. Increased personalization. AI-powered robots will allow consumers to customize vehicles with unprecedented ease. 4. Global collaboration. Robotics will facilitate seamless collaboration between global production hubs, enhancing efficiency and innovation. Driving into the future. Robotics is not just transforming car manufacturing, it's driving the entire industry into a new era of innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. As robots continue to evolve, they promise to make vehicles smarter, safer, and more accessible than ever before. Thank you for tuning into Tech Dream Gear. If you enjoyed this deep dive into robotics in car manufacturing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.